What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ignore the gloves, I was doing something else, but we got the 2023 brand new ZX4RR. I don't think anybody has installed a quad lock on it yet, so I did take my old Ninja 400 quad lock and we're gonna try to put it on the new bike and hopefully it fits. So yeah, we'll get straight to it. I will set you guys right here and we will work on it, and hopefully it's an easy install. But let's get going. The first thing you want to do is remove this from the fork stem. You can just get a flathead and ping that out and it should come right out. I'm doing this first mod because it's literally been super hard doing anything or going anywhere without the phone or the GPS, so it should be as easy as that. And we're gonna get our quad lock, as you can see, and this goes in first. Just gonna set it in there. You want to tighten this first, guys. Tighten this first before doing anything else. Make sure it's centered and not moving at all. Once you twist this in there, these things expand and then it just attaches. Alright, I might need the bigger side. Oh, okay, it is getting bigger. Alright guys, big fail. The thing does not fit and I could not find the box for the quad lock that had it in there, the other size of the thing. I thought I would never use it, but maybe I'll just buy that bottom piece from quad lock and I'll finish the video when that happens. Okay guys, new day. I could not find that other part, but a friend had one of his, so you literally just change the screw. You see that? It's the bigger size that comes with the quad lock. You guys should have them from the same box. I just lost my quad lock box, so yeah, just get one of these, put it on here, and it should go right in there now. You see that? And then after it's in there, we're gonna, after we put it in there, just like that, we're gonna get the Allen thing, and then just find the right size and twist it. Keep twisting it like that till you see it get tight. Let me make sure I line it up straight. Put your handlebar straight, guys, when you're doing this. Okay. Yep, so just twist that till you feel it get tight. Make sure. As tight as possible, because you're gonna get a lot of vibrations and stuff, but seems good to go. Last two pieces of the puzzle, which is this. You guys don't have to get this part. This is a vibration dampener, but I heard it saves your camera, so if you do get it, it just attaches onto the main part. If you don't, you don't need it. And then you get a screw here which comes with it, and that will go over there and lock on right there. I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so you're gonna put this straight through here, simple, straight to the point, and just lock it through this. I don't want my phone in the way of the screen, so I'll try to change the angle maybe. I should not have moved it, but it's good, still good. It's definitely way too in the way of the screen though. I don't want it to be like that, so I'll change it. But yeah, there you go, guys. And that is how you install a quad lock on a 2023 ZX4RR. Let me show you an up close. So, looking at that. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped you in any way, give it a like, subscribe for future uploads, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and peace out, everybody. Have a great day.